guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll just be showing off simple ways of making indomie, or you can call it indomie omelette. Now sometimes we like our indomie without too much spices. Like me, I don't really like spices, you understand? And spices, too much spices is not really healthy. I know some people live for spices, like Indians. They love spices a lot. Spice is good actually, but not too much of it, you understand? Sometimes too much spices can cause bad breath and some other things. For a pregnant woman, it could lead to heartburn. Too much spicy food, yeah. If you're pregnant, it could give you heartburn. So sometimes I just like my indomie plain. So this is going to be my own indomie omelette. This is my own version. This is small budget. You without spending much. You don't need to spend much for this. Of course, we'll be adding our pepper. We'll have we have our green vegetable here, which we call igbo. I've soaked it in the water. Actually, it's not good to soak it for long because it actually removes the vitamins, that's the green. But I actually washed it before cutting it. It saves the nutrients better that way. Then we have our indomie pack. You can use any size, just 2 eggs, onion, water, knife, plate for breaking an egg. Just be adding in our water. So some people do sift their indomie. I don't know what you're sifting it for. They'll tell you it has excess carbohydrates. That's actually a big lie. I see people that sift their indomie as people that don't really know how to cook. I don't know, everyone has their options though. But I don't actually sift my indomie because it has already been cooked. Even when you read if you read the cooking instructions, they say cook for 2 minutes, stir occasionally, add seasoning and chili powder to your taste, cook until the water is almost dried up. There's nothing like sifting, but you know, Nigeria, they say okay, maybe garnish with meat, fish, poultry and vegetable to your taste. But you know, we blacks, we feel. So I'll just add in my now. I feel like this is the indomie. Now I like it long, but I mix it. I break, I put through, I break, I put through. Now I'm adding my seasoning immediately. People actually add seasoning before they put in the indomie. They put directly in water. I mean, anything that tickles your fancy, yeah. Some people say, why is Bella Bloom showing us how to cook indomie? My dears, some people don't know how to cook indomie. Some people don't know. If they cook indomie for you, you vomit. So everybody, cooking is your choice. But sometimes she doesn't know how to cook and she won't watch you cooking. She won't like. So I'll just be adding a little onion for now. I know some people like to add oil, but I don't add oil in indomie. I want so much oil, irritates me. It makes me, I want to throw up unless you fry it indomie. Number 2, the indomie already contains oil. You can see if you look deeply, you see oil. You see oil. Are you seeing it? Look at oil from the ingredients. So when you add extra oil, just just making it more oily, unless you like oily foods naturally. So time. So we'll be covering this with our pot. So now I'm just going to crack in my eggs. Please always make sure when you're cracking your eggs, you're cracking one after the other. Some people will sell spoiled egg for you. You know, you just carry crates to your house thinking you have egg, not knowing that they are all spoiled. Before you even add the second one, you look at it well. I scraping my eggs like this, not to be wasted. So I'll be cutting in my onions. Please, we're still checking our make sure it's nice and it's not undercooked. I'm needed for my indomie, so I'll just be adding the extra one. I'll be adding my black pepper. I like the oil. Like this. Mix this together. My indomie is ready. I'll put it down. Mix it together, then I'll be transferring this to a bigger bowl. And I'll be adding in my already cooked, my washed vegetable. I'll just turn this. That's why you can add more eggs, but I don't want to add more egg first. If I eat a lot of eggs now, I won't be able to eat the fruit, so I just want to eat the quantity. Here is my oil. I'll just be eating my oil. It's my very large chicken. Once it's hot, once it's hot enough, I'll be adding my egg and I just cook it. So those are things for camping, and I was hungry. Normally I don't eat indomie outside. I mean, I don't. So this woman said I saw her. She claimed actually that she fries or makes indomie. And I was very hungry. I said, okay, let me give it a try. Nah, only for me to. After eating, I feel like throwing up. One thing about me, when it comes to food, I'm really irritated. Especially if you don't cook it well. If you don't cook pepper in your food, I get irritated. Adding my already cooked indomie. There's it. You can see the oil on it. just be stir frying it from time to time. I'll be stir frying it from time to time on low heat. See, within actually no much ingredients, just I'm through. Hello guys, so I'm through. I've served my dish and this is what we have here. This is just simple indomie vegetable egg